YouTube, what's going on? It's Anthony, and I'm here with Amanda. We shot some awesome stuff for you guys today, but that will come later. Today, we are going to an awesome park in Gilbert, right?
Yep, we're gonna check out the new structure at the park.
We're also gonna get some awesome sunset shots. We're cutting it a little bit close, but we're gonna make it there. We've got 2 people so we can hop in the HOV lane. Amanda's got her mask. Wow, that's some nice lighting for my car.
Really?
Hey guys, so we made it and we're about to find a place to launch. So let's do it. Hey guys, we just finished shooting and here we are. Look at the sunset. I mean, you guys just saw the sunset from the footage, but it's incredible. Okay guys, so Amanda and I are at the coolest park ever. Like, ever. These kids are so lucky. Like, all right, I'm about to go down this slide, and this slide leads to like the lower tier of the park. So this is a really cool part. This is a big slide. All right guys, I'm about to go down to this lower tier of the park. Oh my God. Yo, that slide is crazy. Oh my God. Hey guys, so I realized that Amanda and I never actually formally ended the vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also make sure to hit the thumbs up. And I just wanted to let you guys know that Amanda and I are going to be dropping interviews on our channels. So basically we interviewed each other, and she's going to be interviewing me on my channel, and I'm going to be interviewing her on her channel. So definitely look out for my video, and after you watch my video, you'll be able to go in the link in the description below and go over to Amanda's channel and watch her video. And I really want to help Amanda build her channel up. So if anybody watching this could subscribe to her, that would be awesome. She is a phenomenal drone pilot, and she's going to have awesome content. So definitely hit subscribe. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.